guys, I'm Lannie and this is our life edits. Today I'm going to be doing like a little Kmart haul. Most of my house, I'm not going to lie, is full of Kmart decor. And I ended up getting like a 4-tier shelf to put in my bathroom because we have an ensuite. And our state in Australia is currently on lockdown. So we're in New South Wales and we can only do click and collect. So I ordered some things online and got Sam to pick them up. So I didn't get that much because I'm trying not to like go crazy Kmart like you normally do. So here's what I am going to be doing today. Okay, I got like a few things to put on the shelf in my bathroom, or for my bathroom. And then I just saw some like nice little decor things, and don't ask me how much they are because I don't remember, but I will link all the products that I got in the description. So I grabbed these hydrangeas to suit my decor, which I think are really cute. And then I grabbed these like little LED candles because I don't know, I've always wanted them. So let's unbox them. So they're just battery operated and they come with like a little remote, which I hope the battery is in it. It looks like it is. And they even have a timer on it. And then here's all like the cute little colors that you can pick. So this is what they look like. They're kind of cute actually. And then I grabbed this cute little, is it Raffia? Look, jewelry box. I think this is like $12. It's really, really cute. And when I first saw it, I really had to get it. Now I did have scissors with me somewhere. Oh. And these are also from Kmart. I don't know what it's like in other countries, but Kmart is so popular in Australia. Like, it is one of the biggest home decor stores that everyone, like, it's just everyone's go-to store. America has like the best Target store, and our Target store is like kind of like Kmart with just like a little less decor and, you know, better quality and more expensive, but they're owned by the same company. So just trying to see a little madam in the background. Let's open this up. So this is what it looks like. It's so cute. Ooh, I really like it. I have no idea what I'm gonna put in here, but I really, really do love this. I love it. All right, and then I grabbed some of these baskets for organization. I wanted to do under my kitchen sink because at the moment we've just shoved like everything under there. Like, it is absolutely chocker of just cleaning products just literally thrown under there, and I can't stand how it looks. So I wanted to get this and start organizing it, but I'll probably grab more because I have a feeling I'll end up sneaking it on my shelf. And then I grabbed this beautiful Rattan look pot holder. I got this because we have a fake plant next to our dining table that we built, and I could never find a pot that would like be big enough to hold it. So I ended up getting this, and I didn't even measure. So if it doesn't fit, I'm just gonna have to use it for something else, which is perfectly fine by me. Ew, it smells funky in here. That really doesn't smell great. And this is pretty easy to assemble. The beautiful pot holder and the stand just sits in there like that. And it will fit, for sure. I really love this. So this was like $19 and I love it. I think it's really cute. And then last we have our 4-tier shelf, but I'm not gonna hold that in front of the camera because that's gonna be hard, but I'm gonna build it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that. And before I do, I've got to stop my daughter from going through my wallet. So I built this in like 5 minutes. probably longer actually, because Lydia was trying to like climb in, and then when I stood it up she was cracking it because she wanted to climb it like a ladder and sit on the top. Kids, hey? So I built this so I can put it right here. And yeah, for those of you who don't know, I have an ensuite. So this is my bathroom. Anyway, I wanted to sit it here, the shelf, because I was sick of putting those spray thingies up there, and I thought I'd put like towels on there and whatnot. So yeah, so I have no idea where I'm gonna put this plant, but she's coming out now. I actually really love this shelf. I don't remember how much it was. Get my rug. I definitely put you on backwards, didn't I? Oh, there we go. So dum-dum, meaning me, freaking put one shelf on backwards because this is meant to be like screwed into the wall, but you know what? I'm completely okay with that. So now to put some nice things on it. I'm not gonna lie, it looks a little crowded, but I'll see if I get used to it. If not, I'll just yank her out. Now next would be to organize in here, because this is a nightmare. Yup. So here's where we put the pot to hold this plant. I'd show our table, but it's got our washing on it and it's just crappy. So yeah, we put that in there. This room doesn't have the best lighting. And then, hey Nelly. And then I put this plant next to one of our seats in our lounge room. I didn't know if it was gonna be too much because, excuse the box. Because we have one like over here, which is like the same pot holder but different plant. And it keeps like, Lydia keeps tackling it, but anyway. So yeah, I don't know. We'll see what Sam thinks. Okay, so I'm just gonna chill here now. Sam's putting Lydia down, so it is just going to be me chilling. So I was thinking of doing like a Kmart house tour kind of thing, because there's just so many things in this house that is like from Kmart. Like these lamps, I have 3 of them because I love them. I'm gonna close out the video here. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you're new here, don't forget to like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that bell for notifications. Anyway, you'll see us when you see us. Bye.